We're going to talk next to David Hudson, who's going to tell us hopefully a little bit about, I think you're doing ceramic 3D printing, aren't you? Somebody around the other side was raving about your stand. So do you want to tell us a little bit about what you're doing?
Yes, we're a university research group from the Centre for Fine Print Research at the University of the West of England. We've been researching 3D technologies for artists specifically originally since 2007. And we've developed a unique ceramic 3D printing process that enables us to 3D print it in a real world material that we have some objects on display here for.
Yeah, fantastic. Is there anything you can show us that? These look amazing. I have to say, looking at them, I wouldn't have believed they came out of a 3D printer.
So these are completely printed. There's a film behind showing how the process works, but basically it's a powder bed into which we inkjet a binder, which binds together the model in layers. Yeah. And we can see some of the layers here.
Yeah.
The model's being built up. Once we have that, we can fire it in a kiln as you would a normal ceramic piece.
Right.
And then you can glaze it.
Right.
You can put a transfer on, fire it again, so you can finish with a completely 3D printed model that has been made in a day as opposed to a week by conventional methods.
Yes, I have to say it might not come across very clearly on the video stream because obviously we're streaming, so there'll be a quality issue. But I have to say I wouldn't be able to tell the difference between that and a normal piece of ceramic. So it is very, very close to the original, isn't it? So what kind of work have you been doing to take this forward? So is this something you're researching in terms of the patterns that you're able to do?
Yes, we've been working with several commercial companies, the main one of which is Denby Pottery up in Derbyshire. They use 3D printers in their process, but they can't print in a 3D print in a ceramic material. With our process they can. This is one of the Denby Design Studio's concepts, which we took the 3D CAD file from, put through our process and printed out a 3D model. Again, this can be glazed and handed around to customers, to the management to decide to move things forward.
Does it allow you to do different shapes to you would normally do as well?
Yes, this shape in particular was done as a standard for the process.
Right.
It would be very difficult to actually make that by conventional methods because of the mould splits and the raised relief on it.
Yeah, fantastic. So you've also got some scanning going on behind you here, I've noticed. So what's all this about?
One of the things you need to do to 3D print is to have a watertight STL file.
Right.
Two ways of doing that. One, you sit down at a 3D CAD program and draw it by hand. Another method is to use a 3D scanner, which you can see here. That will then extract the surfaces from the model and convert them into a form that can be outputted to a 3D printer. So once Katie's finished the scan here, we could take that data and print out a version of the head as you see it.
Sorry. Fantastic. So you could effectively take sculptures and models made by artists and convert them, effectively mass produce
and make
from
one-offs very cheaply, or make short production runs without the modelling costs or the time costs for conventional methods.
Can I move you just back round a second? So what I want to say, why have you come to this particular event? What excites you about the digital transformations theme and the kinds of questions people have been bringing to you?
We've had an awful lot of interest in what we're doing. I think it's great that lots of like-minded people have come together here. We're all working in the digital arena in different areas, and it's always useful to talk to your peers in the area. And already we've made some contacts with people that we wouldn't have done otherwise. That's been, hopefully proved to be really useful.
Yes. Yeah, so have you met people who can see opportunities to use it in different contexts?
Yeah, it's a very good meeting point.
Excellent, fantastic. So where can people find out a bit more?
We're based at the University of the West of England, Centre for Fine Print Research. Look us up on our website, cfpr/ue.ac.uk. You'll find all the information you need there and contact details.
Fantastic. Thank you ever so much. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the Moot.
I'm sure I will. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you.